Hello everybody there, so we are on the way to teach you the trick how to make partitions in computer. So first we need to open disk management either by entering the window key appearing in your keyboard so it can be opened. Either we can access the disk management by right clicking on my computer and going in manage. So you can see here the window will appear. We need to go in disk management. All the disks that we have in our computer will appear here. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna make partitions here. So you can see here this partition has 400 GBs. So I want to shrink volume from it. I want to make a new volume from it. So I'll go and shrink, and you can see here size is coming in MBs, not in GB. So you must know that there are 1024 MBs in 1 GB. So we have to multiply all the GBs that we are going to make with 1024. Like I'm gonna make 100 GB of it, so I just approximately have to write 100,000 MB there. Approximately it's about 100 GBs that has been created as a new partition from G. So what I have to do, I have to make it a new simple volume. So I can assign it a new letter or it will be created just soon. Okay, you can see it has been created here. It was not here before, so I'm gonna show you in the file manager here. So you can see the new volume is appearing here. I can rename it with any name I can like. I'm gonna rename it with XYZ and clicking on continue. So you can see it has been made here. It's new volume, and you can see here in channel data G it's 300. Before this was 400. Okay, I'm gonna delete it because I just made it for you guys. It's of none of my work, so I'm gonna delete it. So you can see it has been deleted. Okay, I'm gonna extend the volume G because I made this part from G. If I'm gonna extend the part G, it will be removed. The new partition I made will be deleted. Okay, what I have to do now, you can see here temporary files D is full. So I'm gonna extend its size. What I have to do, I have to cut all the files that are present in, and I have to save temporary here because I'll be going to delete that whole partition. Okay, what we have to do, we just have to wait for a while. For the time after these files are moved, we have to wait. Okay, this has been done now. The files have moved. So what I'm gonna do, you can see here this folder is empty now. This partition is empty, so I'm gonna delete it from disk management. Clicking on format, now delete. Okay, so this will be deleted and unallocated. So I remember that I had shrinked it from the data partition. So I'm gonna extend this data partition, and this will be moved automatically to this partition. So let it remain the 1000 MBs, 100,000 MBs. Okay, this has been done now. You can see here further there are only 3 files. There are only 3 partitions here. So the one that was full has been deleted. So what I'm gonna do, just I'm gonna make a new volume from these two. I have to choose. I'm gonna choose this D volume. So I'm gonna make now 200 GB. So 200 GB approximately become 200,000 MBs. So I'm gonna write here 2000 MBs and clicking on shrink. You can see here approximately 200 GBs have been created. I can name a temporary file as it was before, so I'm gonna click finish. So this will be made as new. Okay, you can see now in the file manager, so there is a new partition named same as it was previously, temporary files, and but only one difference, this is big, it has 200 GBs and the previous one was only 20 GB. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut all the files I kept here temporary, and I'm gonna paste it here as it was before. Okay, it has been done. Thank you for watching.